Hey guys, Midget Plays here. We're gonna be playing Subway City. No, it might be a real bad game, but I just like it. It's better than Pokemon for now. So, let's not get lag first. Stop getting these ads. And let's do this. By the way, if you have any other games you want to play, leave me a comment down in the description. As long as it's not rude, then see if I can get it. But I have got Android. You suck. Try it better now. Oh, the lag. Oh, that 360. Oh, that front flip. Oh, tail whip. 360. Front flip. Oh, back flip even. Back flip. Front flip. Side. That down. Who's busy, mate? I know I ain't busy. You guys busy? Whoops. Well, don't want to be. Not right now. So, we just need a bit more money so we can get Sharkboard. Oh, either guys, comment down in the description the Great White or Great White, Daredevil, Skullfire, Lumberjack, Superhero, Sunset, or Monster. Tell me in the description which one of those you want me to go get, or even a character. Either I'm not different Prince Kid, not Broder, not Zoe. So I'm going to be saving up for Tasha, Tadbot, Ninja, Lucy, King, not Frizzer, Frank, or shall I just wait until I get enough keys to get my last outfit for him, or shall I just get someone and then just get the new outfit? Tell me guys, tell me in the description. And yeah, that has been the Midget Plays. Peace out guys.